When it comes to building apps, no code, no problem. But between Framer and Builder.ai, which platform truly gives you the edge? On one side, we have Framer, the designer's favorite for rapid prototyping and slick interactions. On the other, Builder.ai, known for bringing complex app ideas to life fast. Today, we'll see how they stack up in user experience, flexibility, features, pricing, and real-world results. Forget the marketing hype. Let's focus on what really matters for your next project. Each area earns points, and at the finish, you'll know exactly which one takes the crown. And trust me, the outcome may just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's zoom out for a sec. Here's what we're looking at: pricing and value, speed to launch, design and UX power, customization and AI, integrations, and finally, ecosystem and community. We'll go through each one, see how Framer and Builder.ai stack up, and by the end, we'll pick a winner. First up, let's talk pricing and value. So, Framer is super upfront about what you pay. If you're just getting started, you'll love that there's actually a free tier. But once you step into the business plans, the price jumps up a bit. Still, you always know what you're getting. Now, Builder.ai takes this almost a la carte approach. You pay as you build, and the pricing is totally custom per project, which can be neat if you know what you want, but watch out, big enterprise projects can really add up. Oh, and you don't get a true free tier like with Framer. So, in terms of everyday value and transparency, Framer edges ahead here. Jumping into speed to launch, this is where things get pretty interesting. Framer gives you instant preview, live publishing, and honestly, you barely have to touch code at all for standard websites. You want something out there fast? Framer's got your back. Now, Builder.ai goes hard on AI. It'll whip up wireframes, specs, and even help manage your project. But you'll still need developer handoff if things get complicated. Both are quick, but Framer's push to publish story? Yeah, that's tough to beat, so Framer takes this one. Let's chat about design and UX power. If you love tweaking all the details, Framer is seriously next level. You get advanced interaction, animation tools, heck, you can even import stuff straight from Figma and mess with component variants. The flip side, if you're doing something super custom with backend logic, you might start hitting some walls. With Builder.ai, AI will give you design suggestions and template plugins, so it's great if you want to move fast, but full honesty, not if you're dreaming of a one-of-a-kind user experience. If creative control matters, Framer totally wins here. Okay, little fun fact for you. Did you know Framer actually started out as just an interactive prototyping tool? And Builder.ai, meanwhile, brags that its AI can write software specs about as well as some human product managers. Wild, right? Shows you how far both these tools have come. Now, customization and AI. Framer automates some things, like content or SEO, but when it comes to deep AI-powered code or logic generation, it's just not there yet. Builder.ai, though, this is where it shines. The AI will actually build out your specs, create timelines. It'll even manage updates if requirements change. So sure, you'll still need humans to QA, but for big custom projects, that AI boost is pretty wild. So, Builder.ai walks away with the win in this category. On to integrations. Framer plays super well with modern web tools. Think APIs, Zapier, Stripe, form handling, all that good stuff. Just a heads up though, it's not going to hook deep into really complex backends. Builder.ai, on the other hand, it connects to cloud storage, databases, payment systems, and if you've got a weird requirement, you can probably get a custom integration, but wait for it. That could mean a longer delivery time. Basically, both are flexible, so this one's a tie. Last, but definitely not least, ecosystem and community. Framer's got a massive designer and developer crowd, tons of tutorials, literally an active plugin marketplace buzzing all the time. The catch? Most of those resources lean toward web types, not app builders. Now, Builder.ai, you get full-on enterprise support and managed delivery teams. But if you like learning from peers or tapping into an energetic online community, it's a little quieter over there. So in terms of community vibes and ecosystem power, Framer is pretty hard to beat. So what do the numbers say? If you look at every category, Framer is consistently pulling ahead in pricing transparency, design freedom, and community support, while Builder.ai really flexes its muscles with customization and serious AI-powered project management. It's close, but you can see where each shines. Alright, here's my take. If you're looking to launch a beautiful interactive site in record time without any code headaches, Framer is seriously impressive. But if you've got this big bespoke app idea, maybe it'll run a business or do something complex. Builder.ai and its AI-driven process will get you from your scrawled idea to finished product, but just know it might cost you more and take a bit longer. So yeah, for most people looking for web excellence fast, Framer is my pick. More ambitious projects? Builder. AI has your back. Did this comparison help clear things up? If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We do these honest tech reviews every week so you can make smarter choices. Catch you in the next one.